So we're dealing with some disrespectful energy is what I'm seeing here. With this disrespectful, it seems like there have been some sort of property damage or some sort of vandalism at the bottom of the deck. It says, here lies all the fucks I give. I feel like somebody, it's like the last straw. It's like the feather that broke the camel's back. That's what I'm showing here. All right. This could also talk about whoever this disrespectful individual is someone that don't give a fuck about nobody but themselves. Someone that's very selfish, arrogant. Also, with this headstone, it talks about something coming to an end with the death. It symbolized the death card, some sort of transformation, or to be some sort of transition. Clarify this property damage. Property damage. Look, what come out? Real estate. Mm, property damage. So it could even been a house, a car. Is what I'm seeing here. I'm definitely seeing an energy of somebody possibly that was suffering in silence with dealing with this. With whoever this person is that operated out of the dark, I'm seeing that there is an energy of nightmare, 70, 75, and 61. And I'm seeing like there was some sort of illusion here. All right. Somebody might even call it the law. I'm seeing evidence here. There's some sort of evidence here. A detective might be involved. Number 55. I'm seeing things getting ready to change. All right. But like I stated before, there's a headstone here, which lets me know that something is coming to an end. There's something that's transforming, transitioning. It talks about a death and a rebirth. Somebody might have gone or going through some sort of death and rebirth and seeing things from a different perspective. Look, Three of Swords is, I'm seeing that there's an energy of pain, heartbreak, betrayal, breakup, separation. It may be due to a breakup. Maybe you're getting ready to break up. Clarify this real estate. What's happening with this disrespectful energy in this real estate? The devil. Somebody was living with the devil. Toxic addictions, deception, obsession, conflict, arguing, fussing, fighting, cheating, disagreements and struggles, clashing. Is what I'm seeing here. Very offensive is what I'm seeing here. This person is also very defensive. I'm seeing a lot of conflict and toxicity here. Clarifying this real estate energy. Okay, 15 is out here. 5 and 1 is 6. Could be significant. Yeah, I'm seeing a lot of juggling. It might have even been some sort of financial situations that was going on. This juggling energy, juggling financially, juggling emotionally, juggling energetically. You may have even experienced some sort of profit loss with dealing with what this person is. Okay, so it seems like energetically, this is how I go. The lack is not just simply in the physical, the lack is also in the spirit. So the things that you were enduring with whoever this person is that was very disrespectful and didn't give a fuck about nobody but themselves, it also with you being with them, it seems like you bear the brunt of it a little bit just by simply being with them or with them, living with them, side by side with them, sharing with them energetically in some form of fashion. Clarify this nightmare. It was affecting your finances in particular. This person will already always experience some sort of financial issue, especially in the energy that this demonic or devil energy that they are currently in, this toxic energy that they are in. Clarifying this nightmare energy, I'm definitely seeing a light being shed on something, okay, especially in regards to some sort of suffering that you may have been experiencing with this person. I'm also seeing an energy of persecution. Somebody will be persecuted for something that they have done. I feel like something is definitely going to be revealed. I'm seeing you obtain some sort of freedom from something that they have done. This damage, this vandalism. A fire sign could be significant. Strong Aries energy, or it could be Aries. I said Larry. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Larry might be significant. I'm seeing that you obtain some sort of renewal and you having to make some sort of choice to better your life. But I'm definitely seeing judgment being called in this situation. This could be tied to someone from your past with this Six of Cups and nostalgic energy. And I feel like this person is watching, spying, trying to keep some sort of eye on you, whoever you are. You could very much be spiritual. I'm seeing you have some sort of spiritual intuition, having some sort of inner knowing. And I feel like whoever you are, trust yourself. You have this energy of self trust. I see your spirit guides all around you, especially when it comes to this person. I'm seeing things that have been hidden or illusion. You are able to see them, or that your spirit guides reveal them to you. I'm seeing you being aware of the unknown. Yeah, this person has a lot of secrets. This is also talking about you kept a lot of things a secret as well and possibly tried to save this individual by creating a whole lot of illusions for whoever this person is, trying to protect them. Okay, your energy is coming off as the abundant one with the Nine of Pentacles. Clarify this daydream. What is this daydream about? Number 61. Somebody was living in some sort of fantasy land. Daydream. What's going on with this daydream energy? King of Pentacles came out. Strong Taurus energy. It could be Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo, just like the Aries. It could be Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. But I'm definitely seeing with this daydreaming, somebody could possibly even be manifesting. Daydreaming is just like you manifesting, you putting yourself somewhere you want to be. You could possibly have Earth swing your chart, but I am seeing an energy of you moving on, abandoning whatever this is and walking away, withdrawing your energy is what I'm seeing. Look, King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles is out here. In the middle is talking about moving on, withdrawing your energy after experiencing some sort of disappointment. This Empress energy is a mother figure, is a matriarch, it's divine feminine energy, and they look like a lot of things. I'm seeing Tower moment, unexpected event. Spirit is giving someone an unexpected outing, an unexpected way out. I'm seeing palm trees. There's the energy of security, stability, and flexibility is what I'm showing here as you take a leap of faith in a different direction and leave someone out in the cold. Because whoever this person is, it seems like they self-sabotage. There's an energy of self-sabotaging behavior. They have no problem sacrificing you for their own happiness, their own joy. They're focusing on themselves. And Spirit needs you to focus on yourself. That's what I'm showing here. All right. I'm also seeing that you also have somebody approaching you. You have an ideal man or woman that's approaching you. Whoever this person is very intelligent, full of new ideas. And this is someone that is willing to take action, especially in regards to extending some sort of offer. Yeah. After some sort of breakup is what I'm showing here. Not only am I seeing that, I'm seeing after a period, after you walk away from whoever this person is, it seems like they try to come back and extend some sort of romantic proposal. I'm talking about a nostalgic and ex energy. As you walking away, they're trying to come back, extend some sort of offer. It seems like they try to keep you from breaking up with them. But I'm seeing this person has created or caused a whole lot of heartbreak due to betrayals. I'm seeing an energy of separation, heartache, and unhappiness, grief and sorrow. I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. Take a resonate, leave what does not. If it doesn't apply, go ahead and let it fly. Energy is always fluid. I could be speaking to a masculine or feminine energy. Personal readings down below in the description box. I forgot to say my introduction. But yeah, you're protected. If there's energy, you're protecting yourself, standing your ground. You coming out as the wounded warrior. You learned your lesson with dealing with whoever this person is. It seems like you've grown tired. There's an energy of fatigue and drained of your energy with dealing with whoever this person is. We got the Ace of Swords out here, clarifying that. It seems like you're now focusing on new ideas, new plans. And I'm seeing you have a lot of mental clarity. I'm seeing an energy of victory and success, especially when it comes to like a new job, a new position, you know, a new goal, a new opportunity. I'm seeing an increase of income. Okay. You're someone that's willing to learn and want better for yourself. You're someone that people can count on for what I'm seeing here. And for that, I see you moving forward. And there's an energy of you having the advantage. There's a victory here. Here is the success. Like I stated before, that daydreaming energy, what I think here was definitely like a form of manifestation, if you will. I'm seeing an energy of you guys utilizing your intuition with this Page of Cups. I'm seeing an energy of comfort, kindness, you having good ideas. Spirit is urging you to listen to your intuition. Not only that, I'm saying listening to your inner voice, your intuition, your inner voice, your body, your psyche. I feel like whoever this person is you were connected to was very emotionally immature and childish. From what I'm seeing here, we got the Most High system. We're bringing on a new beginning. I feel like somebody will come back and try to apologize just so they can be a part of your good luck, this destiny, this good fortune that the Most High is bringing towards you. Look, we got the Ace of Pentacles out here. Yep, a new financial beginning, new financial opportunities, new job, new businesses. Look, you're being assisted. There's energy of generosity here, clarity, charity, donations, assistance, support, kindness is what I'm seeing here. Anything else? I see you guys are focused on working on something. I'm seeing you guys may be self employed, building some sort of business or trade, If that's not the case, it seems like you are looking to grow within a company, trying to get increased pay, trying to get promoted even. I'm seeing an energy of confidence, success, and concentration. You're focused right now. You're hardworking. You're working right now. You're focusing on your finances. You're focusing on your stability. You're focusing on your security. But I'm also showing that it's coming with a lot of patience. That's what I'm seeing here. I feel like you're also not only in a romantic sense, I feel like you're also getting yourself out of a trap situation or position, possibly in work. Okay. All right. Because, like I stated before, there was a lot of stagnant energy around you with you being tied to whoever this person is that's coming out in this devil energy. It started affecting your finances. It might have started affecting your mood at work and things like that. All right. And spirit needed you to just simply release and let go and learn that lesson and view things from a different perspective because there were definitely burdens placed on you, not just simply physically, it was also in the spirit. Okay. This person was putting things on you in the spirit. Okay. Anything else? It was a lot of drama. I'm also seeing with this new position as well, with you focusing on work and things like that, and viewing things from a different perspective. I'm also seeing an energy of you gaining more responsibility, or you're doing a lot more after you started putting your energy and time and things that you have a passion for or want to obtain, is what I'm seeing here. And it happens for you. Divine timing is at play. This is an energy of perseverance. I see you guys obtaining unexpected source of income. That's what I'm seeing here over time. It's talking about your hard work paying off, trustworthy energy. It seems like you went through soul searching after a separation, gained some sort of enlightenment. I'm seeing an energy of you obtaining inner guidance, especially along your journey. Okay. Spiritually. Yep. Yep. It seems like I said it before, there's an energy of self-reflection, spiritual enlightenment. All right. I see you spending a lot of time to yourself in this solitude and you obtaining inner guidance. Now, with this inner guidance, I'm seeing that you're obtaining or receiving, I'm seeing from a place where you possibly feel trapped or restricted. This might be some sort of self imposed restriction that you may have been placing on yourself. Um, what's going on? Yeah, it seems like it was some sort of self imposed restriction. Um, what's going on? Possibly felt stuck. But I'm seeing something that is gaining up some sort of momentum. I'm seeing something happen very quickly. There's a spiritual transformation. I'm seeing a new beginning where you are letting go and things ending and changing for the better. Okay? It's like happening unexpectedly. All right? There's an energy of you guys releasing, purging all the things that you felt was holding you back. This could be mentally, with the swords from what I'm seeing here. Mentally, emotionally, spiritually, physically, as you stepping towards this new beginning with this Ace of Cups, a new romance, love, happiness, joy, you socializing. And I see you moving forward with the Six of Swords, the calmer waters. Okay, things calming down. All right. Some of you guys could possibly be traveling overseas, traveling during the holidays. All right. But this is definitely like a calm after the storm. Now, I'm also showing the Ten of Pentacles where unexpected finance, like some sort of windfall. I'm seeing you obtain large lump sum of money. This could be a deed or something like that. I'm seeing some sort of solid foundation. But I'm also showing an energy of some sort of betrayal. Okay? Someone could be bad mouthing you, someone bitter, bad mouthing you because your wishes come true with the star. This is like a wish fulfillment because you have faith in the future. And now somebody's in this Nine of Swords. There's an energy of regret, remorse, anxiety because they were too busy focusing on you and you being the subject of the gossip that they weren't realizing that their life was turning upside down. I'm seeing this person dealing with a deep unhappiness, feeling stressed, overburdened, okay, overwhelmed is what I'm seeing here because there's some sort of community here with you. Yep. I'm seeing that there is some sort of reunion here. A water sign with a water sign, or you could be a water sign. Strong Pisces. All right. I'm seeing that there's an energy of strength here. You having the courage to, I guess, entertain someone new. All right. I'm seeing whoever you are, you have this inner strength. You have this bravery. You have this confidence. You've overcome a lot of self-doubt. And again, there's an energy of you guys being very focused, and somebody's at a loss. There's an energy of sadness, loss, grief, despair, feeling unwelcome because you made the choice to move on. Yeah, there's an energy of detachment. You withdraw yourself. I'm seeing the grass being greener on the other side. After, yeah, and it felt like it was some sort of difficult decision with the Two of Swords. This person played with you. This person played with you having, they possibly was entertaining what I'm seeing here, two different relationships or two different people. There was an energy of divided loyalty with whoever this person is that you couldn't trust. They try to treat you as an option, but I'm seeing that the energy, I'm seeing an energy of balance with this Temperance angel. Temperance angel talks about patience, which also speaks of divine time and things coming into balance. Okay, for your family, so you could possibly have children or something like that. Yep. And I'm seeing a closing of a cycle or contract with whoever this person is. I'm seeing successful completion. You've reached the ending. I see you now focusing on expanding your horizons, physically as well as emotionally. That's what I'm saying here. And it looked like this person want to come back and communicate with you. About what? I don't know. It don't matter. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love, please,